Maraming salamat, Mavi.
Alam mo, first time ko makita si Mavi in person.
And how is it? He has that charm.
Yes, a pogi. I'm so glad you're part of the PBB family now.
We all are. Maraming salamat.
Yes. And up next, we have ang Gen Z bestie ni Kuya, Alexa Ilacad. Hello, Alexa. Hi everyone! Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much for being here. And I'm also happy to be here. So, let's just enjoy the day. Thank you for coming.
Ganda naman.
Ever stunning si Alexa.
She is definitely.
Kabatch natin ng Gen Z.
Pasok sa Gen Z. Alright.
At wala nang mas Gen Z pa dito, Kaloy. Ang ku-auntie ni Kuya, Nanay Cantiveros Francisco!
Hello, good afternoon sa lahat. Sa ating mga boss dito, sa ating mga kapuso, hello po ma'am, attorney. And sa mga boss din natin sa kapamilya, hello, good afternoon. Sa ating mga press 1 if you like that. And thank you for attending sa online. Hello, hello. Hello Philippines and hello world.
What a way to open the program.
Kitang-kita mo kung bakit siya naging big winner. Of course, si Ma'am Shimelay.
And she still has it.
Authentic na authentic ang ating Ma'am Shimel.
What do you pick up from that? Paano mo move on doon? Next up, ang tambay sa bahay ni Kuya, Robbie Domingo. Feeling fan here?
Hello po sa lahat ng mga kapamilya at mga kapuso ko na sa online world. Dati usap-usapan lang to hanggang sa finally nagkataupang palad yung two biggest media giants sa isang bahay. At ngayon, magsisimula na ang makulay na buhay sa loob ng Big Brother House. And we are so excited. Thank you so much for being here.
Salamat sa ating King, si Robbie.
Exciting times ahead for everybody. Next up, ang kapuso it girl ni Kuya, Gabby Garcia.
Look at that. Para tayo nasa beauty pageant naman.
Take a spin. There you go.
Hi everybody. Good afternoon. This is it. Malapit na ang Venice Kunat na inaabangan natin lahat. First of all, thanks to everybody who's here, who's present right now, and to our online audience. Hello po. Hello mga kapamilya. Thank you,
Gabby. At ang dating border ni Kuya, the one and only Bianca Gonzalez.
Magsiluwad po, yes, sa institusyon.
Hi everyone! Good afternoon! Maraming salamat for joining us on a Saturday. I know ang dami niyong ibang pwedeng gawin on the weekend, but thank you. This means the world to us na kahit 20 years na Pinoy Big Brother. Grabe pa rin ang suporta ng ating friends from the press and the media. And of course, this 20th year, we are stronger than ever. Siyempre, ang mga kapamilya at kapuso join forces. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ms. Bianca. Pero syempre, di ba, makakasama rin natin this season as PBB hosts ang official homeboy ni Kuya na si Enchong B at ang next door na kabonding ni Kuya na si Kim Chu.
That's right. Ay, may mga tasks lang sila dito sa outside world. Kaya hindi sila makakasama na dito. Pero meron po silang maikling message para sa ating lahat. Anyone, let's all watch this.
Sa lahat ng mga kapamilya, and of course sa ating mga media friends na nandito ngayong araw. Maraming salamat po. And of course, welcome to PBB Collab! Maraming salamat to my PBB fan dahil kasali pa rin ako sa 20th year ng Pinoy Big Brother. At syempre dahil 20th year, isang malaking pasabog ko ang mag-collab with GMA. Kaya this is so exciting and this is so amazing. Kaya marami kaming dapat i-look forward. I mean, kayo pala, marami kayong dapat i-look forward ng mga pasabog ni Kuya. And congratulations to Big Brother, as always. Proud Chinese Cutie ng Cebu 2006. Thank you so much, Kuya, and sa lahat ng mga nandyan.
Hi everyone, it's
Attention po, gusto ko lang po i-welcome lahat na kasama namin ngayon dahil malaking bagay lagi yung press, yung mga kapamilya, yung mga content creators when it comes to sharing our new season. Kaya ngayon na naman, isang malaking pasasalamat dahil parte na naman po tayo ng 20th year ng Pinoy Big Brother. And this time, isang malaking collaboration between our kapuso and our kapamilya. And gusto ko rin po humingi na paumanhin kung wala ako ngayon dahil kasalukuyang may trabaho, may Dulyares na trabaho, so might as well. So I hope you understand it. So just want to say thank you and much love to everyone.
There you have it, nasa Kim Chiu and Chong D. Sana maramdaman namin yung Dulyares na yan, no?
Kaya naman wala sila dito. Meron talaga silang mga task na may kinalaman sa Dulyares. Any reactions? May reactions si Ma'am Shimelay kanina.
Sana all partner and Chong. Napasalihan kayo dyan. We will pray for your safe lines.
Yes. So, klaro po. Kasama po natin, of course, si Kim Chiu and Chong D sa Pinoy Big Brother this season. Pero kasama rin natin ngayong hapon. Such an honor po, of course, one of our dear ABS-CBN bosses, our Chief Operating Officer for Broadcast, Tina Cory V. Metanes!
Good afternoon, Broken Story Dennis. Now it's time for us to hear the exclusive big pasabog and big updates mula mismo sa pamilya ni Kuya.
Kwentuhan lang naman to. Yes, pero exciting kasi ang dami ng gustong makaalam kung ano bang mangyayari. So simulan na natin with, of course, sinabi ko nga kanina, one of the pillars of PBB.
Institusyon, kumbaga.
Yes, Miss Bianca.
There you go.
Hi, Miss Yes. Okay, so Miss Bianca, alam na nga natin na this is the 20th year ng PBB milestone year. So what will be the major differences in this season compared po sa last one at sa mga dati pang naging seasons ng PBB?
Yes, the one major difference obviously is that this is the first time in history na ang Pinoy Big Brother will air on GMA. So yun palang napakalaking bagay na. Honestly, as everyone here is, so excited. But honestly, I would say 50% excited, pero ako 50% nervous. Nervous because it's an entirely different audience. Paano kami tatanggapin ng mga kapuso, loyal fans? Will they like the format? Diba? Will they like our storytelling? That's why we super appreciate that Gabby and Mavi are joining us for this season. Kasi sa kanila mas pamilyar, diba? Ang mga loyal kapuso fans. But of course, aside from that, exciting yung Celebrity Collab Edition because for the first time also, in the past Celebrity Editions, we've had a mix of celebrities na iba't ibang industriya. Meron tayong sports, meron tayong social media, but for the first time, puro artista. And it's all artists again from Star Magic and Sparkle. And actually, the last time we did a full Celebrity Edition was 2007 pa. Sa Celebrity Edition 2, big winner si Ruben Gonzaga. That was the edition right before Robbie was a housemate on Teen Edition 2. So ganun nakatagal. The other Celebrity Editions kasi may kasama ng regular housemates or teens or parang naka-gitna in a longer edition. So this time, we're doing once again a standalone Celebrity Edition. So super, super exciting.
Miss V, can you please refresh our memories? Celebrity Edition nga rin po ba yun? Kasi yung mga hosts natin sa BBB, halos lahat sila talagang pumasok sa bahay ni Kuya.
I was about to say.
Naging housemate din talaga. So, can you please refresh our memories po kung anong season kayo? And since yung Celebrity Edition po ngayon, ano yung mga pwede namin maabangan dito sa Celebrity Edition ng Collab?
Yan, okay. So kung refresh ako po, I was part of the OG Celebrity Edition, Season 1 in 2006. Grabe, si Kiana Reeves ang aming big winner noong panahon na yon. Alexa was part of Community at Season 10. Is that correct? Si Robin, Teen Edition 2. Si Mele, of course, ang big winner ng PBB Season 3.
Si Robin sa season, diba, ikaw yung...
Napakasakit.
2008. 2008.
So yeah, like I said, nakakatawa nakakatuwa kasi nga, again, this is the first time that it's all actors, all artistas. And siguro ang isipin ng tao, parang masyado namang pare-pareho kung puro artista. Pero ako, I got the privilege of sitting in sa final casting ng mga Sparkle and Star Magic artists. And I say na, for me, sobrang interesting na season kasi ang dali-dali natin lahat mag-judge, di ba? We see a certain celebrity, oh, dali naman yan sumikat, or hindi naman yan talented, or bakit ba yan nandyan? But then when you get to know their stories, grabe din yung pagkakaiba ng pinagdaanan ng bawat isa. And we really cannot judge a celebrity sa kung ano lang yung nakikita natin or napapakita nila sa social media. So they may all have vlogs or be on social media, have Instagram, Facebook, pero iba pa rin pag makita mo sila in a house 24/7, galawang tao. So tao din sila with such colorful stories.
So exciting. Thank you very much, Miss B. Now, Gabby and Mavi, since nga nabanggitan natin, yung mga hosts, usually nagiging housemates.
Or ng initiation ay they have to experience it themselves.
So, kung ako sila, kakabahan ako kung ako sila. So, anong feelings ngayon now that, you just heard that? Meron bang konting kapaningan na, wait, baka ikulong ako sa bahay ni Kuya? Ay, kinakabahan.
But kidding aside, I'm also familiar with the tradition na yung mga hosts nga pinapasok sa bahay ni Kuya. So, ako, follower lang ako sa task ni Kuya. Ngayon, ang task ni Kuya sa akin mag-host po ako. Hindi ko na po alam yung following task. So, Kuya, ikaw na pong bahala sa akin.
Yung paglaman mo yan sa
takdang panahon.
How about you, Mavi?
Ako naman, kami ni Gary been asking so much questions din backstage And siguro sasabihin ko na naka-ready na yung luggage ko Naka-ready na yung bag ko
Sigurado ka dyan.
Willing po, willing.
Ready na. Naantay ko lang yung boss ni Kuya na, Mavi, papasok na yung bahay ni Kuya. Ngayon pa lang. Pero yeah, I'm excited. Pero at the same time, nakakaba din. Pero, they say naman, parang retreat lang. So, that's what they say. Parang retreat lang. So, I look forward to that. Retreat.
Huwag ka papabudol, Mavi.
That's what they say. Again, that's what they say.
May quote si Melay para dyan
Be careful what you wish.
Ayun. Anong pagbabanta? One day. That's right.
To be fair, parang game naman po silang pareho. Palaban ang ating mga bagong hosts ng
Well, they should be, of course. And I guess, and before anything else, I mean, sila ay mag-enjoy naman kapag pasok nila doon, di ba? Well, moving forward, para naman to again kay Gabby, na isa sa mga bagong bahagi this season. What are your hosting tasks so far? And paano ka nag-prepare for this?
My hosting tasks for PBB, I'll be part of the PBB updates. That's every day, Mondays to Fridays. We have 3 minutes ng umaga at ng hapon. I'm also going to be part of some of the prime time from Mondays to Fridays. Also the weekend shows, I'll also be part of that. So super, super exciting. Mabigat na task, but I'm very, very game. And I'm looking forward to learn from my co-hosts. And how do I prepare? I've been watching the past season so far, pinag-aaralan ko din siya. Ang dami din mga nagtatag sa akin on TikTok, ng mga hostings nila Ate Bianca, nila Robbie. And of course, sabi ko, wow, hindi mo kasama. Hindi, teka lang. Siyempre, yung pinaka-masterclass ko, from the big winner of all the big winners. And syempre, diba, kailangan natin yung touch of Gen Z from Alexa. Ayun. So, got you. And I'm a student of Tito Boy, so I've been talking to him constantly. Actually, we had a phone call the other night. He's been telling me to go to him na so we can study the materials. And he also told me na Bianca is also my student. So if you have anything, you have any problems, or you have any questions, I can go to her daw. So Ate Bianca, alam mo na, I got you. Mamumulit ako sa'yo. Ayun.
Well, learn from the best, ika nga, no?
Yes.
And well, speaking of, pagkukulitin mo in the future si Bianca, have you had any chance na makapag-sit in with one of them, one-on-one, getting tips and yung mga ways on how to host for PBB from the Kapamilya host?
Well, actually, every time we see each other, I always ask tons of questions. Kung paano ba sila, kung paano yung kalakaran, I always ask, how's the schedule? Kalakaran talaga. So how do you always do it? Do you have any tips for me? And they've been very, very generous with all the information, all the knowledge, and they've been really good friends. So I'm excited to learn more.
Exciting for everybody.
Oh, we can't wait to see you also sa PBB very, very soon, Gabby. Okay, and now, dito naman tayo sa Palaban. Palaban ng Robbie Domingo. Oh.
The NBI ball.
Context.
Talagang ako, sinabi ko lang Palaban. Si Ma'am Shimels ang direct to the point. Oo, direct to the point. Pero, Robbie, yun na nga, no? Medyo connected doon yung tanong ko sa'yo tungkol sa social media, virality. Kasi last season, nakita talaga natin yun. We saw how TikTok and online clips played a huge role in the show's popularity with so many moments going viral, diba? Kinukuha ng mga fans, yung mga clips, tapos kinukuha viral. Parang ang dami tuloy naging involved at talagang invested lalo sa kwento ng mga housemates. So this season ba, do you think this season's housemates will be more conscious of that? Or do you think they will let their natural selves shine despite the online pressure? Parang, ano sa tingin mo yung magiging challenge na rin?
I think pag sinabing celebrity, ano na agad eh, ingrained na sa kanya yung defense systems, yung mechanism na you have to be prepared, especially when you go online, di ba? Daming mga unnecessary comments, mga trolls. So, ang celebrity, especially last season, I'm sure ngayon sa comment section, hinahanap nila, nasan si Fiang? Sigurado ako, nasan si Fiang?
Hindi mo ba makakasagot niya?
Oo.
Everyone is looking for
Nag-rehearse kanina, nakita namin. For a different program naman. Pero, yun, being viral is a good thing, pero may mga repercussions din siya. Siyempre, ano yung repercussions? May mga effects siya. So, last season yung first na
first stern warning.
Yes. Actually, every week nagpapaalala kami na be kind sa social media. Kasi grabe na yung mga threats talaga na nare-receive ng mga housemates. And their families are involved as well. Kaya grabe kami sa pag-prepare ng mga sarili namin. I'm sure for this season, especially celebrities, handa sila. But at the same time, yung mga celebrities, gumagawa ng social media para ipakita yung kakaibang side nila. Diba? Na marunong din ako magluto. Ito rin yung mga hobbies ko. Tao rin ako. Tulad ng sinabi ni Ate Bianca, at the end of the day, celebrities are people as well, just like you and me. Just like everyone else. Kaya makikita nila yung different side of all the celebrities from Sparkle and from Star Magic na papasok daw ng bahay.
Very well said. Thank you, Mayor.
Thank you, candidate number 2.
Alam mo, yung takeaway dyan is really be kinder on social media especially.
Nahanap ko na nga yung NBI.
Oh!
Tinawagan ka na ba?
Hindi ako yung kinukuhan mo. Pero reminders din ito kay Mavi at kay Gabby because pati mga host din, pinipressure din ng mga
For that reminder.
Yes, be ready lang kayo. Kasi talagang grabe talaga sila. Magpapa-NBI na rin kayo.
Ginawa ko na nga yung konta kay Rob.
Pero ba talaga?
Ganyan talaga, kwento talaga na totoong buhay.
Mainit ba? May electric fan.
Right here sa stage.
Kasi tahimik dito, baka naman tayo.
Pero with that, Auntie Balay, the next question is for you. Ito, meron ka ba dyang masashare na update sa mga new celebrity housemates ni Kuya this season? And also, ano yung criteria sa pagpili sa kanila